Welcome to Programming and Problem Solving. This is Rishikesh. In last session, we saw nested loops in Python. We also had a problem of printing a star pattern. Today, we will take it further and we will see one more problem based on star patterns. So, our today's problem is write a Python program to display the star pattern as, and here is our star pattern. So, first of all, understand what is the difference between first problem and the second problem. In our today's problem, we have more number of stars and gradually the number of stars goes decreasing as we go down. Okay, but in last problem, our stars were increasing. Okay, so that is the main difference. So first of all, please try it by yourself. Okay, so let us have a look at our solution. Here is our solution for this today's problem. So what we are doing here, first of all, we are taking the input of n. Because why we are taking the input of n? Because we want user to give us the value of n. Okay, so we are taking n, its type is int, and we are giving some prompt to take the input of n. Then we are using this outer for loop. Now in last problem, we use this outer loop to print our rows. Okay, and in this problem also we are going to use this outer for loop to print our rows. So we will print row number 1, row number 2, row number 3 likewise, and the inner for loop will print the stars inside each row. Okay, try to understand here. Outer for loop will push the control one by one to the next row, and inner for loop will be printing the number of stars, whatever the number of stars we want to print in that particular row. Now let us focus on the logic. So here our I is ranging from n plus 1 to 0 because we are moving down. First we have more stars, then our star goes decreasing gradually. So first of all, we have n number of stars in our first row, but here 0 is excluded, so we cannot start from n. We have to start from n plus 1, or we can start from n, but we have to go till minus 1. So in both cases our program will work. I have taken here n plus 1 to 0. Now from n plus 1 to 0, outer for loop will iterate for n number of times. We are gradually decreasing the value of I in each iteration. Number of stars that we are going to print out in our rows is given by this for loop, and the range is 0 to I minus 1. Let us see here. In our first row we have 4 stars. Okay, that means our n is 4. If n is 4, let us have a look on first row. We have 4 stars here. That is the value of n plus 1 is 5. So for the first iteration of outer for loop, the value of I is 5, and here we are printing the stars from 0 to I minus 1. Here the value of I will be 5. So 5 minus 1, 4. So 4 stars will get printed in the first iteration of outer for loop. After this first row, control will go to the next line with the help of this print statement. Now the value of I will decrease with 1, and again inner for loop will work for 3 times, and 3 more stars will get printed on the second row. This will happen until we reach the value 0. This is how these two loops will work to print out this pattern. Okay, so let us run this program, and here it is asking for the value of n. Let us give 6, and we got our stars printed. So this is how the logic behind this problem works. We will see some more problems in our upcoming sessions. I hope you understood how these nested loops work to print out a star pattern. Thank you.